Herbed baked pork chops, a recipe from my mother-in-law that is delicious. I'm using center cut chops today. You could use another cut if you'd like. The key to this recipe is Pepperidge Farm herb seasoned classic stuffing. You'll also need a little milk, an egg, salt and pepper. So first we're going to take about 3 tablespoons of butter and melt that in a small dish, set it aside. Then take an egg and about 2 tablespoons of milk or so. Just use a fork to mix that well. Then we're going to take this Pepperidge Farm herbed stuffing mix. I like to put it in a Ziploc bag, and I use a rolling pin to get it a little bit finer than it is in the package, just so it coats the chop better. Go ahead and salt and pepper each side of your chops. First dip it in the egg wash. I like to do this a couple of times to be sure that I get plenty of egg and milk on so that the stuffing mix sticks well. Just place it over into the bowl of the stuffing mix. Flip it over a couple times to get plenty on. And then simply place it on a parchment lined sheet pan. Continue with the other one. And take the melted butter and pour it over the top. Then I like to turn them a little bit just to get a little butter on the back side of the pan. Place them in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to take them out, we're going to flip them over, and we'll put them back in for about another 15 minutes. The amount of time that this will take is obviously dependent on the size of your chops, but we want pork to reach 145-degree internal temperature. Let's give them a try. Tender, tasty, real comfort food.